In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and disconnect Mailchimp and Eventbrite in just a few minutes. As many of you are already aware, both Mailchimp and Eventbrite are powerful tools for managing events and email marketing. Integrating these two can streamline your workflows, saving you time and ensuring seamless communication with your audience. Let's walk through the process together. To get started with connecting your Eventbrite and Mailchimp accounts, first, log into your Eventbrite account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, head over to the Eventbrite app marketplace. This is where you'll find a variety of applications and integrations available for Eventbrite, allowing you to enhance its functionalities. On the left panel, you'll see a menu. Click on Marketing, which is where integrations like Mailchimp are typically housed. Next, click on Settings. From here, you'll navigate to the Integrations section. This is where you'll be able to connect various tools to Eventbrite. Look for Mailchimp among the listed integrations. Once you find it, click on Connect New Account. Doing so will prompt you to log into your Mailchimp account, so make sure you have your Mailchimp login details at hand. After entering your credentials, a modal window will appear, asking if you'd like to allow the connection between the two accounts. Simply click on Allow to confirm the integration. It's important to note that it can take about 5 to 10 minutes for the information to transfer from Eventbrite to Mailchimp. During this time, you might want to check other pending tasks while the transfer completes. Now your accounts are connected, allowing Eventbrite to seamlessly send data to Mailchimp, making your marketing efforts more efficient. However, sometimes you might need to disconnect the two services, whether it's for troubleshooting or perhaps switching to another integration. Reassuringly, disconnecting is just as straightforward. Begin by logging into your Eventbrite account once again and navigate over to Marketing Tools. Click on Settings, just like we did earlier when connecting accounts. Then proceed to Integrations. Once you reach the list of integrations, locate the Mailchimp section. Here you'll find an option to disconnect. Click on it to initiate the disconnection process. A modal window will pop up, confirming that you wish to disconnect Mailchimp from Eventbrite. Simply select Disconnect once more and the two accounts will be successfully unlinked. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to connect and disconnect your Eventbrite and Mailchimp accounts. I hope this tutorial helps streamline your event and email marketing operations, allowing you to focus more on engaging with your audience. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful content, and let us know in the comments if you have other integrations you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.